Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Monday. Yes, it's still Monday, July the 25th, 2022. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two puzzles are left, the tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch, they call it Cyber block. And the binary, yes, but it's now binary time. Yes, binary time. This binary puzzle will be number 4908. 4908. And what kind of binary puzzle is this? Let me count the boxes. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8x8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones or 4 O's and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Well, double O, here one, there one. And then I need to think. Yeah. We have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in the first row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Yeah. And now. Here we have 3 ones in the second column. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be an O. Then between two ones comes an O. 3 O's we have here. If I place number 4 here, then we have 4 ones in a row in the second row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can mean O, this should be a 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Here we still have 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we still have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can mean O, this should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have now, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here now, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Then we need to compare. I think we need to compare with 011 here. No, so I cannot compare this row. 1001. Do we have 1001 here? No, it's not the same, so I cannot compare these 2 rows. Can I compare this column then? 101. 101, no. 10101. Yeah, this last column and that column. 11001111 empty box. Empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Compare again. Yeah, 101. Do we have a 101 here? No. So we need to compare the double one here. No, we need to compare the rows. Double Well, yeah. This row and that row. Oh, 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 one, 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 oh, oh, empty box. One, empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Finished in 5 minutes. Wow, you need to compare. You need to compare. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle of today, 8 tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.